Hi, in this video I'm going to explain about Python lambdas. So Python lambda function is a small anonymous function which takes any number of arguments or parameters but can only have a single expression or a one expression. Okay, let's start by creating a file. Let's say lambda.py, and the syntax for lambdas is first we have to give the arguments, okay, arguments colon expression. Okay, so here lambda takes an arguments which can be n number of arguments or multiple arguments and takes only a single expression. Okay, sorry, I have not mentioned here lambda arguments colon expression. Okay, this is the syntax. Okay, let's see with an example, very simple example. Okay, so let's take x equal to lambda. I'll take an argument like b colon, and I'll give an expression like b. Okay, because I'm taking a single argument as well as I'm passing only the single expression. Okay, if I print x, okay, let's see what it will print. If you see, it is giving the object for lambda, so we have to pass the variable, pass the value for b. Okay, and just by printing x you will not get the actual output, but you have to pass the b value here. Okay, let's say 7. Okay, if I print it, you can see it is printing 7. Okay, so now we'll take another example which takes a equal to lambda, and I'll pass two arguments now, a comma let's say t. Okay, and colon, and the expression will be multiplication. I'll do multiplication here, so a into t. Now print a colon. See here it is asking two values, which is a and t. Okay, we have to pass two values, 4 comma 5. So I am passing these values in a random way, so you can pass any values. Okay, if I run it, you can see the answer is 20. 5 4s are 20. Okay, so this is a simple example of lambdas. And one more thing, the power of lambda is better shown with functions, inside functions. So if we try using the example of functions, so how will it work for function? Okay, let's see that. Okay, def my function of n. Okay, I'm giving an parameter as n. Okay, my func takes a parameter of n. Okay, so I'll return lambda, let's say s. Okay, colon, and I'll give s plus, I'll pass this n here. Okay, I want to add the function's parameter, which is n, with the lambda argument. Okay, so I'm adding the lambda parameter as well as the function parameter here. Okay, in the expression. Okay, now if I call the function now, so let's say I'll give a variable here which is result equal to So I'll call the function myfunc. So we have to pass the n value first. So let's say n value is 45. Okay. So if I print the result, and here we have to pass the s value. Okay. You have to pass the s value, right? You should not leave it alone. Of course, you have to pass it here inside the within the print function. You have to pass it here. So s value will be, let's say, 12. Okay, 45 plus 12, 57. Okay, we have to get the answer as 57. Okay, if you see here, we are getting 57. Okay, I'll comment this out. Okay, so if I print it, you can see it is giving us 57. Okay, so this is a lambda function inside a function. Okay, so the power of lambda is better shown when we use this anonymous function inside another function. Okay, so that is how we use a lambda function inside another function. So this is a working of lambdas. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you like the video, please share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.